Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add payment method in Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. The official website will open up after that. Make sure to sign in to your account and you will be redirected to the home page of your store. After that, click on the settings embedded at bottom left corner of your screen and then go to the Payments tab present in the left side menu. Now a bunch of features will be available for you to use. Simply click on the Add Payment Method button and a new dialog box will appear inside it. There will be two features that you can use. The first one is Search by Payment Method and the second one is Search by Provider. Choose either one and then select the methods you will allow your customers to pay through. Once done, select the provider of your choice. Simply select whichever one you like. After that, the linking procedure page will be displayed on your screen. It depends on provider to provider, so it may be different for you. In my case, I will just install the app on my Shopify store and you can see I am redirected to the payment provider's website. Now, I will need to create an account and authenticate it. Once I authenticate it by filling this form, my payment method will be approved and added to my store. So that's basically how you can add payment method in Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.